Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Power BI to MySQL. The first thing I want you to do is just launch Power BI Desktop. Come to the top panel, click on Get Data, and then click here on More. And what I need you to do from this section right here, you'll see a search option. So you just type in OD and then just hit search. What I want you to do is use this one right here, ODBC, okay? And we need to import data from ODBC. Now, to be able to do that, first you need to go ahead and install this connector right here. I'll leave a link in the description, okay? Download the latest version that is applicable with your operating system. So mine is a 64-bit. So you just download and install that and you can go ahead and use it. Then just go ahead and hit connect right here. And then what I need you to do is select your data source name the way you configured it. And you can go ahead and add advanced options if you would like. These are completely optional. You can click here on OK. And then you just need to enter your credentials. Okay, username, password, and then just hit connect. And that is how you connect Power BI to MySQL.